Hi, welcome to KanexPro. I'm Manny. I'm the Senior Product Manager, and we're here to introduce our brand new modular matrix powered by SDVoE technology. What we have here we have a set of transceivers, which are devices that can be set either to encoders or decoders that allow you to be able to extend 4K 60 hertz video as well as KVM USB functions over 10 gigabit Ethernet. These units are all PoE powered, so they can be powered by Netgear's popular SDVoE optimized 4300 series switches. And this powerful system gives you zero latency video. It gives you instant switching. You can do the amazing features such as video wall, picture-in-picture, and standard modular matrix features. These units are the cutting-edge, latest technology that you can bring into your installations. For more information on the SDVoE-powered modular matrix from KanexPro, you can visit us at kanexpro.com.